Hey guys, welcome back to another tech mastery video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or reduce the background noise in Audacity software. So as you can see, we are in Audacity and let's start the recording. I will intentionally leave some spaces here so that you can see how the background noise looks like before editing and how it looks afterwards. So remember, to remove the background noise, first you have to leave some of the timeline blank, means without any words, so that it can read the background noise, and then we will give that sample and we will tell Audacity to remove that particular background noise from all the audio clip. So now when we stop this, we have this recording here, and then select this unwanted noise right here, and then go to effect and then all the way down to noise reduction. Let's select this. Now under the noise reduction, you are going to see these two steps here, where in first step it says get the noise profile, and the second step says some of the reduction settings, set sensitivity and stuff like that. So basically we want to get the noise profile first. Get noise profile. So we have captured this area as the noise reduction sample. We will now tell the system that whatever background noise you hear in this empty part, apply the noise reduction not only to this part, but take the sample for it and apply it to the whole clip. So now go ahead and press Ctrl A to select the whole clip. And now the simple step that you will perform now is go to effect and click on repeat the noise reduction. So what it will do is whatever profile does it get from that sample, it will apply it to the whole clip. So now if we play this one, let's see how it works now. Let's start the recording. I will intentionally leave some spaces here so that you can see how the background. So as you can see, there is no background noise and it is reduced perfectly. So that's the power of Audacity. That's why most of the people record the audio separately when recording their videos. Either they are using Camtasia, Filmora, whatever. They prefer to record their audio files in Audacity. So if you have any questions on how to do it further, just comment down below of what further things you want to learn about this software. I'll help you out as much as possible. And as always guys, don't forget to like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.